Dear students, this is my fifth video for equiangular triangles of grade 11. So last four videos, very most important parts I explained you. Especially last video I said that what do you mean the equiangular triangles and how to show in a particular problem of proving of equiangularity. And the main part is results from that. If two triangles said to be equiangular, corresponding sides are proportional. Already we learned earlier videos ratio theorem also. So I said some early video R1, R2, two important conditions. Because a newcomers or if you forgot or missed to see that video, so stop this, please go and view, successfully complete that video, and if you come only we can show these all problems. You can view clearly the ideas of how to use the equiangular property, the solutions, how to work them. Okay, see today's my first question. Here we find the unknown terms, right? First you have to work the calculation problem. See this diagram. Find the x value and the y value, right? Find the x value and the y value. For such a triangle we can write two ratios that I mentioned last video, R1, R2. That means results 1, results 2. So I will start from like that. See these two triangles. Very first we learned, very first video in this lesson, ratio theorem. In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to another side, divide the other two proportionally. Therefore what? X is to 4 equal y is to 6. X over 4 equal y over 6. I say my first equation. That's I told last video results 1. But you can't find x and y here. Why? If two unknowns, you need two equations. සමීකරණ දෙකක් අවශ්‍යයි. x හා y unknown දෙකම දන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට සමන්පාඩුகள் நாங்க எடுக்க வேண்டி வரும். So you can't solve here now. That's why shown the R2 also. That is the later part of your book problem showing using the equiangular triangle. See, once again I will show you that part, equiangular. Here no proving of that. Later I will work in the proving questions. See small triangle and the big triangle. Lines are parallel, right? So this angle equal to this. Why? Grade 9 maths. Corresponding angle. Okay. Same direction, same sense. Same method. This angle equal to this. They have a small triangle, two angles. Large triangle, two angles are equal. So if all three angles equal, equiangular. Not need three angles, two is enough. Because automatically third becomes equal because of sum of all three 180. අර කෝණ දෙක අඩු කරාම නිකම් ඔටෝ එනවා third angles are equal. Oh here see this is පොදු කෝණම් පොදු common small triangle මේක තියෙනවා large. So anyhow small triangle equiangular to large triangle. Therefore we write the main part of the equiangular ratio. Corresponding sides are proportional. ලියමුද අරක කොහමද? Always you start the unknown. එමෙ විටම unknown වලින් පටන් ගන්න නැති අර term එකකින් පටන් ගමු අපි. தெரியாததுல ආරම්භියங்கள். Take this angle. I take the small triangle first. Opposite x over what? මේකට සමාන මේක. Equal. Opposite 4. Oh, don't say 4. Dangerous. Fineable error. දඩුවම් ලැබිය කිය වරද ඒව බෑ. Don't say 4. 4 not a side of a triangle. The big side, x plus 4 equal. Next comes this angle. Opposite side y over what? This equal to this. Opposite side ke large side of the triangle. What the side this is y plus 6 equal. This is 5, right? Opposite 3 over the bigger side 5. Very important. When I in my classroom lecture, if I ask the students, they will say wrong. They miss this idea. Always numerator should be same triangle. Denominator other triangle. You can shuffle it, make a පරස්පර අනිත් පැත්ත දෙම දිකටම අනිත් පැත්ත දාන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම මික්ස් කරන්න එපා. Numerator from particular triangle, denominator other one. But unfortunately ළමයිගේ අහපුවම වැරදි නැවත වරදිනවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. So improve that. Okay. Here we have two equations. This equal to this. This equal to this. This equal to that. Therefore, easily we can find the xy both. Here you can't find the both. After finding the x value, you can come to here. Or after finding the y value, you can come to here. So as a teacher, I want to show you various methods here. That's why here, right? But this is easy in this question. Some problem results 1 can be used. Some problem results 2 can be used. Some problem both easy to follow, right? I take the first and the last. Here unknown, here known. If x over x plus 4 equal 3 over 5, thereafter you solving equation. Cross multiple. 5x equal, this multiplied by 3. 3x plus 12. Take the 3x this side, 2x. X is 6 centimeters or meters, right? X is 6. So once you know the x value, go here, put x for 6, find the y answer. Or if you don't know that idea, take this and this. This and this, find the y value. If y over y plus 6 equal 3 over 5, cross multiple 5y, cross multiple 3 into y plus 6. Solve this. Multiply by 3, 18. Take the 3y, subtract 5y minus 3y, 2y 18. So y is 9. Y is 9. If you apply there also, it becomes 9. So I explain both of the methods using the ratio theorem or this equiangular proportional sides method. Corresponding sides are proportional. Try this. Next question, try that same method. How that? So now you have two results. So first you can find the B. There's no order. Alphabet A ඉස්සරෝ මේ හදන්න ඕනේ පස්සේ B බලන්න ඕනේ පස්සේ C. කිසි order එකක් මොදලා H යවනු Y Z P Q R S T no. ටක් ගාලා අපිට අවශ්‍ය දේ හොයාගන්න ඉස්සරෝම. B. I think B is easy to calculate. In this triangle, line drawn parallel to side, divide the other two proportional. So B is to 5, 2 is to 6. B is to 5, 2 is to 6. Complete the B. Multiple. Is it okay? 10 over 6. 5 over, divide by 2, 3. Or give decimal answer, fraction answer, that's no problem. Answer not a problem in centimeters or meters, right? Answers can be decimal, can be fraction, can never be minus. You can't take a minus answer. To find the A value, you should think about the equiangular triangle idea. Okay, that is the corresponding sides are proportional. So once again I'll explain the equiangular method. Lines are parallel. So this angle equal this corresponding angle. This angle equal to this corresponding angle. Also this act as a common angle. If you want to write that in properly, you write that terms. If you put the triangle ABC, triangle PQR name, you can list it. Later I show the book some proving questions, right? Therefore a small triangle equiangular to the largest triangle. Then you can write the three ratios, three fractions, is it? Follow. Take the unknown first. Take this angle opposite A over what? Large side 4 equal. And next take this angle small side 6 over what? This is equal to this. What the side? 2 not a side. Last triangle side 8. Okay. Equal to, you can get another one also. That is not necessary because this is enough. There's an equation here. So cross multiple, find the A. A equal 24 over 8. What is that? 3. Is the method, right? So if you practice more, very interesting questions. Very important. Oil paper must compulsory pass this. That question. Think that one. Here, two triangles available. So there's no straightly ratio theorem. So we avoid that. That number one theory avoid. Use any other. See here. This angle equal this. Alternate angle. Lines are parallel. Alternate angle. Data. Alternate angle. This angle equal to this. Reason. Alternate angle. That's enough. Two angle, I think. Third one also you can mark. What is the third one? Grade 8 maths. Cross vertically opposite. This angle equal this. Therefore, these two triangles are equiangular. No hari කිසිම අදිසියක් නැහැ. අවසරපඩ වේ නම් සරිය තෙරින්ජි කොල්ලන්ගල්. හරියට බලන්න geometry very interesting. Very easy geometry. You take interest of the geometry. If you love the geometry, it's become nice. You can work many questions, very tricky. You can improve your knowledge. So two triangles equiangular. Therefore, corresponding sides are proportional. Then write the ratio. When you write it, the ratio always start from the unknown. Where unknown? Connect this angle. Opposite C. Over. What is over? This triangle. That triangle above. This triangle below. What that? This is equal to this. Opposite 8. Equal to what? Take another one here. I take this one. Opposite D. Over what? This angle equal to this. Opposite 9. Equal. Take the last angle and complete it. This angle. Okay. Opposite 9 over this angle equal to this. Opposite 6. If you miss this order, you are wrong. Data waste වෙනවා මේ දවස්වල. Otherwise classroom එකේ අපරාධ වෙලා. Okay, now what? Take the first and the last. Find the C answer. Okay. So if C over 8 equal 9 over 6. So find the C answer solving that simple equation. Multiple 72. C equal 9 times 8 divided by 6, otherwise 12. C equal 12 in centimeters or meters, whatever, right? Next, take these two. Take the other two pairs, find the D value. So D over 9, if 9 over 6, so cross multiple. D equal what? 9 times 9 or 81, whatever you mark the answer. Cut by 3, cut by 3. Twice. 27 divided by 2. Is it okay? Or 13.5. 13.5 is the way how to use these equiangular properties, right? Very long work, very long questions, very long chapter. You can't complete within short period. This is my 5th video. Nearly, I think nearly half an hour, 40 minutes per video. You can count how long I work. All full free video I am issuing. Take full opportunity. No Zoom or any accounts paying money or in the bank accounts, no account number, not that pattern. Full free use. Take opportunity that one. Okay, see, these are my questions, my 2 problems I am showing here. See next question number 4, today's 4th problem. A, B, C, X, here 4, this is A, here 5, here is Y, here 1. They mark this angle equal to this angle. Find the A value. How this? Write the question, find the A value by using the data. Right? Using the data, find the A value. Here no parallel. I think sometimes you mark arrow. I not sure, don't misuse. I don't show the arrow. No parallel here. Okay. Otherwise, a diagram like this. Anyhow, no parallel, right? So this is therefore using the equiangular triangle. See the small triangle, this angle they marked equal to largest triangle here. One angle given as equal. Any other that you know? Any other angle equal? This angle at the vertex A, peak A. This triangle, angle A. Largest triangle also angle A, common angle. So here I show the method. First I prove and come to the last part, right? It's very important for the future question. First I show you here 2 triangles are equiangular. So see that in triangles AXY, comma, say triangle ABC, or triangles ABC and AXY, right? If they ask the question, prove that, show that these 2 triangles not congruent, equiangular. Now I am going to show how showing that equiangular. First I said what the angle they mark, data, this angle, AYX. AYX angle equal to this, what the name? ABC, right? ABC. Reason, geometry reasons are important. Data, that data given, right? Next, this angle XAY, small triangle XAY. XAY equal, big one, BAC. Reason, what? Common angle. Podu kona, chariya? Common angle. Therefore, the small triangle equiangular to the large one. That's all. Third one, 2 enough. Very first video I said, you have to follow. Suddenly if you follow me, heeneng wage එක video පමණක් දැක්කට මගේ method එක අවු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මගේ students මගේ ළමයි දන්නවා. You have to fill properly tuition the classes නා දිකටම පිළිවෙලට class එන්න ඕනේ. අතරමැද ආපු ළමයි අපි ගන්න නැහැ. Like this video, I hope you have to follow regular basis බලාගෙන enter. උඩින්ම A pass. Therefore, triangle AXY, this symbol I said, triangle ABC, equiangular is the method how to prove that, right? Now write the ratio, therefore corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, I said always take the unknown first. Unknown is where small a is the unknown, which is not the side of a triangle. So this I mentioned common. If 2 angles are equal, automatically third one also equal. This third angle equal to this third angle. Okay. Take this angle right the side, not A, large one, A plus 4, over this equal to this, opposite 5. Next one, take this angle, opposite 6 over this equal to this, harida, opposite 4 equal to a third one, make only. What is opposite? No, unknown, not necessary. Find the A value. So cross multiple A plus 4, 30 over 4. Okay. So A plus 4 equal, what that 57.5. So A answer 3.4. Very important question. Question is find the A value. But for your future knowledge, I shown the equiangular method also, right? Next question 5. This is G, here 4, here 6, here 2. Try not find the G value. Try straightly find the G value without showing without showing the similarity. Find the G value. So two triangles available, small one and the large one. No doubt, small triangle, similar triangle or equiangular for the large one. Samakoni trikona, kona tunama samanai. Mundu konangalum samana irukkinrathu because of this equal to this. Thawa ekak kiyamu, what is that? Common angle. Common angle. Small triangle, large, that's enough. So write the ratio. Write the ratio. I take this angle first. Opposite big triangle end on it. G plus 4. G plus 4 over this equal to this opposite 6. Next take another suitable angle. The numerator from the largest triangle, right? But next one, this angle, third angle, not marked, that is auto equal, right? Opposite 6, 8. This angle equal to this opposite 4. Find the G answer. G plus 4, 8 multiple the 6 and divide by 4. So G plus 4, cut the 4 here 2, 12, G is 8. G is 8. You practice more, very simple. Okay, next I show you book questions from your part 2. So I hope you are with the book now. Page 93, pair of questions will work that. In each pair of triangle given below, find the length of the side represented by the unknown, right? 14.4 you exercise from the book. The first question, Roman 1 pair of diagram. ABC triangle and DEF triangle. This angle equal to this, they marked, and here a mark and they marked here. Is it check value? Here 6, here X, Here 9, 12, 6. Find x. Find the x value. Use the diagram, complete the x value. Stop the video. Don't waste the data. Stop the video and see. Or pause the video and see. Next diagram, GHI, here LJK, KJL triangle. Mark this equal to this K angle. Here double line mark is equal to here. Here 2, here 4, here A. Here 7, here B, here 3. So I hope you complete this for that. This angle equal to this data. This equal to this data. That's all. 2 angles enough. Remember that 2 minimum qualification. 2 angles enough. So 2 triangles said to be equiangular. Then write the ratio. This angle I take opposite x over. This is equal to this opposite 6. Next, take this angle opposite 6. This equal to this opposite 9. That's enough. That's enough, right? The third one not necessary because here one side unknown, other side known. Easy to solve. So multiple 6 times 6 or 36 divided by 4, 9. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Simple question, simple. It's also very hard problem for some others. So if you follow my method of explanations, regular basis, simple ideas, right? See the same idea, see here. This angle equal to this, here equal to this. So 2 triangles said to be similar, equiangular. Write the ratio therefore. Take this no mark. I said no, always follow by writing the unknown term. Start that, begin from that. Opposite A. This angle equal to this opposite 7. Here double mark I take opposite 2. This equal to here opposite 3. Finally where this angle, right? Opposite 4. Here what? B. Is it okay? Unknown, known, unknown fraction. No matter. So take this and this, complete the A answer. Take the other fraction, take the B answer. So if A over 7 equal to over 3, cross multiple 14 divided by 3, get answer. There's a value. Collect that answer, right? There's a value, right? Take this 2, if 2 over 3 equal 4 over B, so cross multiple. 2B equal 12, 2B equal 12, so B is 6, B is 6, right? So I hope you can work all this second other question number 3, 4, same method, right? Same method they marked here. Okay, I show a couple of the second type also. See the second type question. Go to and see second type question. Show that each pair of triangles in each of the following figures are equiangular and find the length of the representing unknown. So what I shown my idea earlier, same method, right? So your first diagram, these two parallel, P, Q, A, C, B, here 4, here 6, here 10. So simply you can find the X answer, but before that they ask, like a part 2 paper, show that small triangle and the large triangles are equiangular. Just to show, prove එක ඔප්පු කරලා යන්න ඕනේ. අද නිර්වීය පරාගතන් වල ඒක පොහවනවා. That equiangular. So before that, better always diagram important. Without diagram, no geometry. Some students they won't draw the diagram. They are කම්මැලි පොතේ රූපයක් නැත answer තියනවා. Remember, you have to draw every geometry you draw. You practice classroom activity, very important. Then only you can answer future final national level exams. Very important. So see here, this angle equal to this corresponding angle because of lines are parallel, and this angle equal to this corresponding angle. That's enough, neither. We have the common angle also. So complete that. First to complete the equiangular property. In triangle, can a small one first, but name PQB, comma big one ABC. This two triangle take, right? Take this. Take any angle. Start. I take this one. BPQ. Name is BPQ. BPQ equal to this BAC. Okay, it's a grade 9 work because of parallel corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, right? Next take this angle, but the name 3 letters BQP. BQP. This one. BCA, corresponding angle, same matter. 2 angles enough, 2 angles enough. So right, therefore, triangle BPQ, symbol, no, equiangular triangle ABC. If two triangles said to be equiangular, corresponding sides are proportional. So write that fraction. I take this angle opposite x, therefore opposite x over bigger side 10 equal, take this angle, no? Properly check that. Opposite 4 over this angle equal to this opposite 10, 6 and 4, 10. So simple, because multiple, answer becomes 4. X equal what? 4 times 10 over 10. So answer is 4. X is 4, a simple question. Idea how to use it, similar triangle or the equiangular properties. So the similar type, the other question you can complete. I think you can complete that pattern and write the answers clearly, no doubt, I think. So another maximum two videos. I will publish 2 videos showing some more good exam type question. Keep in touch. The newcomers, subscribe the video, then you will receive all my attractive explanation videos, right?